Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, it's raining again, so we really need to, guys, keep watching the videos, get them views up, subscribe, like every video so we can actually get a garage. But in today's video, we're inside the car because we can't really do anything outside the car, even though we do have stuff to do. In today's video, we will be switching out little small things that have been annoying me about the car. Firstly, we'll be changing the badges. So, I don't know if any of you noticed from previous videos, but somebody has put on the 135i from the new series, so the F series, on this car, and the lettering looks weird. It looks like it's a fake 135i. It doesn't look like it's real. So we've got actually the original kind of font in black and in silver, and I'm between the two. But the thing is I kind of want to go for the silver because more OEM, but also there's like one other 135i that I know in Ireland, and it would kind of be hiding that with this. But I have both of them just in case. AliExpress finest, I will link down below, because BMW wanted €60 for these. So yeah, you might say they'll weather bad, but I could just get them again for €1. And then the other thing is I don't know if you remember the video where I wrapped my trims. So I wrapped them in this really nice suede. I wrapped this black because I thought it made it look a bit moodier, and then I done the center console and the handles in this really nice silver kind of suede. And we actually had a really nice gaiter to go with this knob, which is original. I think it's off an M2, original BMW gear knob, and the gaiter that had really nice white stitching to match the 12 o'clock and also the stitching on the steering wheel. However, it was off an F series again, so it didn't fit on the shape of this one. We thought it might, but it didn't. So eBay's finest, we got these to try out for now. It's Alcantara, black Alcantara to suit this black part, and it has white stitching, so it'll match the steering wheel as well. There wasn't cross stitching, which I kind of wanted, but there was this company that do them. It took a while to come, but that's for the gear knob gaiter, and then for the handbrake there's one that comes as well. So we'll try and get them installed today, and I'll let you know how I get on. Okay, so I'm gonna try see what it looks like on top of the leather, because at the moment the leather is actually bonded. It's stuck on to the plastic trim in here, but we're gonna put it on top and see how we get on, and if I don't like that, we can always take the leather off and replace it. Okay, so by the looks of it, the leather plus the Alcantara is probably too thick, so it won't clip in. I will try to take this trim out and try push it in that way. Don't want to force it because I don't want to break any of the clips. I do like the look of it, and I also like the feel of the leather underneath, because this is kind of very flimsy material. But I will take it out and see if I can fit it that way, but we might have to take off the leather underneath so that this can actually clip into place. Okay, so we finally gotten this off. We had to heat the glue a bit and rip it off. And now we're gonna put this one on top. I don't know, I'm still contemplating whether we'll actually glue it or see if the clips are enough. this is like a little rubber band thing, so it's really loose. So we're just gonna glue it together, and we're just gonna use hot glue gun. That's what we have on hand. So I'm just gonna put it in a few places. We've just taken off the leather part, glued this back together and put it back in the clips, and now it fits. So for anyone that's ordering these, which I will link in the description, I suggest you remove the leather thing. I just thought it might be a bit more sturdy. Well, now I've clipped that attachment together, and we're just gonna put it in these and then clip it all together. Okay. And then we're ready to put this on. The only thing is this doesn't have the clips that clip in, so it won't be attached. However, this wasn't really working before, so okay. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, I like that. It's the handbrake gaiter. We just have to turn it inside out so we can put a little cable tie there. So let me just think. It would be like this, I think. Isn't that right? And then, yeah, that would clip in. So we should first get it on like this and get it over the hump here and cable tie it. So let me get the cable ties. So we just want to work this down back. Just peel this back till we're happy. And that's about it. Nice. And it matches the gear knob. I love the white stitching. Beautiful. So we're gonna do the thread trick and see if it works. Hopefully they have only used double-sided tape.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully.
Nice and easy. Just like you're cutting cheese. Do one letter at a time. Like you're cutting cheese. Do one letter at a time.
Did you just rip your string, you idiot?
Inside press. Ideally you use fishing wire. But I don't have fishing wire. This is shite. Actually just comes off itself.
I don't know if you want to rip that off with paint. Oh.
Just sticky.
yeah, that's a wrap for this video today. I know it was short and sweet. I'm just trying to give you an update on all the little things that are happening along the way. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.